So my dear track fans, I will be showing a video whereby Asafa Powell is back on track. Now this is how the video looks and I will explain what he is actually doing.
Okay. No, man. Okay. One.
Are you guys ready yet?
Yeah. Why you not saying you're ready?
Runner,
Eh? Okay.
on your mark.
Hey, let's go. Let's go.
Yeah, now breathe now.
So funny. To catch that. I'm taking a close up. But that was close. Can you run faster than Maya or that is fastest? Because Maya tried. That's how fast.
Now let me say this. The race that you just watch right now, according to popular reports, Asafa Powell was running against a Ghanaian man. Now I know a lot of you might be thinking whether Asafa is actually back on track and field. Well, the truth is Asafa Powell is not back on track and field. Rather, he is just running a personal race against a Ghanaian man, according to popular news reports. So Asafa Powell is not back on track. Let me know what you think.